All right, so we got the machine set up, the SSG slash wimshurst generator. And we're gonna go ahead and start it up here. Oh, but before I start, this right here is the reed switch. And all right, so we got the machine set up and we're gonna go ahead and run it and show you what it does. This is the reed switch right next to the rotor here that, you know how it goes. The magnet goes over it and it triggers the coil to turn on. Here's my other button that I have to run that right there. When I press that button, that reed switch turns on. It's just a microwave oven, door shutter button or whatnot. All right, here we go. And I gotta just wait for that to start up. I don't have this part screwed into each other, so it's gonna be a little bit wobbly. So you can kind of see it wobbling just a little bit. That's because that piece isn't screwed in there. But it's just sitting on top and spinning. But yeah, gets to going. I'm gonna put this tape on here so that way I can do things here while that goes. So we're not gonna switch the Bendini motor on for this one. I'm just gonna show you that it does charge, and charge does get up there. So now that it's got up to speed a little bit, you can see it going a little bit. The sparks charging up on the ends there. Then we go and discharge the capacitor. All right, we connect the two capacitors together now. It's going pretty slow right now, but when I get it up to speed, this thing goes off. Yeah. I say my original design was to have multiple of these going on, so I would have multiple of these on the rotor. So I have one here, one here, one here, one here spinning on the same rotor. And I have these on the side as the plates in between each rotor. So that way we can have the this middle part go all the way up and connect the other rotors. This right here only allows me to have one. So I'm going to put these on the side like this. Yeah. But yeah, that's the wimshurst SSG right there. That's it.